Hey everybody, it's Alex, the founder and CEO at Motoroso.com, and in this video we're going to be doing a close-up look and an installation guide for the N-Fab Nerf Steps with drop step for the new Ford Bronco. Now these are a fairly simple, inexpensive, but strong, durable, and really nice looking product for getting a drop step on your Bronco. The step comes down about 9 inches from the door sill, making it easier to get in and out. It's made out of tubular steel. It's got a 3-inch steel main tube, which is a 0.084 wall thickness, so it's lightweight, but it is tough. It's still made out of steel, so it can handle a little bit of off-road punishment. This isn't what we would call a full-blown rock slider, though. If you really know you're gonna go wheeling hard and you're gonna bang this on some things, we recommend you probably check out some actual rock sliders. But if you just need something tough, durable, that'll get you in and out of your Bronco, this might be just the ticket for you. It's got a triple coated powder coating on it, so it's gonna be durable and handle some of that off-road punishment and without getting too marked up. Now it is available in both gloss black or this matte textured black, and it has nice grip steps that are emblazoned with the N-Fab logo, so it looks nice and clean. They're also a super duper easy install. We're gonna show you how to do that step by step. It's just 6 bolts on each side after you've got your stock steps off. So if you'd like to buy these steps, check out the link right here. That'll take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can reach us on live chat, or you can call us anytime toll free at 833-MOTOROSO, and we'll put links to those in the description as well. Let's go ahead and dive into the install guide. First, if you have stock side steps or running boards, you're going to need to remove those, and it's super simple. It's just a combination of the pinch weld bolts and the brackets that all come out. Before installing the steps, identify the driver and passenger side steps. The larger bracket will be towards the front of the Bronco. To install the N-Fab side steps, just lift the step up into place. A second hand might be helpful, but this can definitely be done solo. Line up the bolt holes and hang the steps in place with a single bolt on each end, then loosely install the remaining hardware. Before fully tightening the steps, make sure you're happy with the alignment and level. Now fully tighten your steps using a 15mm socket and repeat the process on the other side of your Bronco, and you're finished with your install. All right, we hope you found this video helpful. If you'd like to buy these N-Fab drop steps, go ahead and click the link over here. That'll take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. Now, if you'd like actual rock sliders that are a little bit more tucked up and don't function as this drop step, check out the Fab Force rock sliders. That video is right over here. Now make sure you subscribe to our channel. Check out all of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.